In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a OneDrive account. This is a quick and straightforward process, and we'll walk through it step by step. By the end of this video, you should be able to successfully transfer ownership of files in OneDrive without any hassle. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft account page where you can enter your credentials. It's essential to ensure that you have all your login details ready, as this allows you to access your OneDrive and make the necessary changes. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself directed to the Microsoft account homepage. From here, you'll want to look towards the top of the page, where you'll see the App Launcher icon. The App Launcher looks like a grid, and clicking on it will reveal several Microsoft apps that are available to you. As you scroll through these options, locate and click on OneDrive. This will take you directly to your OneDrive dashboard. Once in OneDrive, you'll see an option labelled My Files. Click on it to view all the files and folders currently stored in your OneDrive. Now you need to decide which file or folder you wish to transfer ownership of. Simply select it by clicking on it. Once selected, you'll notice a few options appear. Now look for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis. Typically, this icon represents additional options. Give it a click and a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Access. This is where you can control who has permissions to view or edit the file. With the Manage Access menu open, locate and click on Start Sharing. This action is vital as it begins the process of transferring ownership of your file. Once clicked, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to make the new owner of the selected file or folder. Upon entering their email address, you'll see a pencil icon appear next to the permission settings. Click on this pencil icon and you'll be presented with several options. Here, select Can Edit, which gives the new owner the ability to modify the file if necessary. Once set on the right permissions, click on the Send button to notify the new owner that they now have access to the file. At this stage, the new owner will receive an email with a link to the file or folder. Finally, it's important to remind the new owner that they should download the files and folders and upload them to their own OneDrive account. This step formally completes the transfer, ensuring they have full ownership and control over the files. And there you have it. Changing the owner of a OneDrive account is as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.